Hi, my name is Igor. I am author of this program, PeyoteCreator. The program allows to make three-dimensional pod and import your image on it. Let's start it. Start it with the program. Select My Menu Atom File, New. Select first option, start with geometric bedrock. Next. Select palette, for example, it will be Delica palette. Next. Select design format, pod. Rows number 17, it is big number, no, but in the sample I want to show you this value. Select pod sizes 2, 3, 4, 5 and nickname. Initial color, initial bed shape, apply. Oh, 4 pods, 4 sides, three sides. Finished. Save design. Next, go to File, Import Picture Color. In this window, we need to select picture, any image that we cut it on your file. For example, open. We need to import this image. We will import it on first site. So open Locations window and select Sites for import. First site, site A. Select colors number, different colors palette number 20 and push button import. Okay, first image imported. Next time the same. Select another image. Location B, check location B, only on location B. Import will be the same. Colors number 20 and import button. And import on third side. File. This will be move. Select location. This location theme. Import. Next, since I want to draw some border of frame, select symmetric drawing feature, because we want to draw the same things left to right, top and bottom, and on other sides. For example, some red border, red line. Something save. Next, show only used colors and customize the symbols. Arial, I believe. Using symbols, without symbols. And next, file export into PDF. Export preview, used colors list, and with chat counterclockwise. Design preview, used color list, symbol A, color DB 0010. First site image preview and watch chat. Second site, third site. That's all.